Okay, hello dear friends. Let's do some problems together. So first I copy the problem. A cosecant 133 degree. The second one secant 28 degree. The third one cotangent 230 degree. And the fourth one arc sine 0.2518. So the teacher wants us to find the answer to the nearest thousands. Okay, let's do this one. The first one, cosecant 136 degree. What we do later, I will show you. I will not show you the screen. And I use decimals. And when I use decimal, I will put in the number 136, but this is degree. Decimal use radian, so I do this. I found the function cosecant 136 instead of writing 136. I write 136 times pi divided by 180. And then plug this one in, I get a result. So I put in the number and I get on decimal, and I get 1.43955653963. So this is the number I get, and the teacher wants us to round it to the nearest thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So we need to round to here. And anything below here we need to consider. It will not be show up. But here is 5, it needs to go up 1. And go up 1 becomes 9 plus 1 is 10. So this will become 0, and you write here. And 3 becomes 4. So this one around 1.34. And then you think there is a 0, and below 0 in decimal point is not count, right? No, you have to write it. All the teacher wants to know for the whole entire problem, he wants to know if you write this 0 or not. You just need to write this 0. And in my class, you can do this googly eyes. With your teacher, don't do that. You get yourself into trouble. So 1.440, that's the answer. Okay? Okay, now let's do the second one. I have already secant. So the same thing, secant 28 degree. We will write, you put in the function secant, 28 times pi divided by 180. Now you get the answer. Now let me find the number. Okay, so decimal pop up a number 1.13257005069. So round to the nearest thousands. Tens, hundreds, thousands, so here. And the one below it will not be shown, but this is 5 goes up 1. So 1.133, and that is the answer. Question number 3. Question number 3 is cotangent 230 degree. We will do exactly the same thing. Cotangent 230 times pi divided by 180, and we get 0.839099631177, and round to 3 decimal place equal to 0.839, and that's it. Behind it, if this number is 4, forget it. If this number is 5, no matter behind it what number is, we just see this number. Okay, so that is the result. And 230 degrees, so it's in this quadrant. It makes sense. And the first one, 136 degree one, so it's on the second quadrant, and it's the sine, cosine, cosecant, and sine is y value. Oh yes, makes sense. So we are all right. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4 is okay. Question number 4, arc sine 0.2518. So we plug in this go to function arc sine, so sine to the power of -1. We do not say it, okay? It is like this, and we plug in the number 0.2518, and then we get equal to 0.25453973462. So this becomes interesting. The teacher didn't tell us whether this in the first quadrant, second quadrant, or only one time within 2 pi, or completely rotating. Usually teacher, they want to give us trouble. We just know it. So okay, so I want to figure out this is how many degree. So this is a radian. Change into degree, it will be this number times 180 divided by pi, which will be, let's see how much we get. This number time 180 divided by okay. Give me 1 minute. Time 180 divided by pi, which is 14.584 degree. And now we can take a look. Sine is y value, so it is this angle by itself, 14.58 degree, or this angle, which is 180 minus 14.584 degree, and you can always rotating it. So the first answer is n times 360 degree plus 14.58 degree, any number of rotation. The second answer is n times 360 degree plus this number minus 180 minus it, 180, so it's 160 7减1等于6， 0减5等于5.416. So these two numbers. So it's actually, if you see the sign, these are the answer. Okay. Okay, question number 5. I've copied it first. Okay, sine theta equal to half, and this one teacher want us to solve theta, and theta is within 0 to 2 pi. and this is hardcore, and this is softcore. Hardcore and softcore. We got everything. Okay, and 6 is tangent theta is negative root 3. 7 cosecant theta is negative 1. 8 cosine theta is root 2 over 2. Okay, so let's do question number 5. Sine theta is half. So at least we know this is 30 degrees, right? And this is in our elementary school in 4th grade, 5th grade. I think in America it must be 5th grade. In China, this is a kindergarten level. Oh, I'm kidding. Yes. Okay, so this is a 30 degree, and this one is something like it, right? This is a 30 degree, and this is theta, the sine. But the teacher asks us within a full range of unit circle. So it is 30 degree, and we know sine is y over r. So it's a y value. Anything that is on y value. So how many we have? We have this one. We have also this one. So it's 180 minus 30. So, and going down, is that possible? No, it's not possible. It all becomes negative number. So there is only one answer plus another answer. So 2 answers. So theta is 130 degree and 150 degree. 2 answers. The word is made of a couple of solutions. Question number 6. Tangent theta is negative root 3. So tangent, when we see tangent, when tangent is smaller than 1, it is when it is smaller than 1, is smaller than 45 degree. It's bigger than 1, is bigger than 45 degree. So this one is 30 degree. I'm not saying positive or negative. I just see this number and I can roughly in my mind to get out an image. So this is 60 degree. And also what we know is that in the every half, we are right. So it is actually like this, 60 degree, 60 degree. So this is 180 minus 60 degree because it's negative. And so if we draw a unit circle, this is 1, this is root 3 over 2 positive, and this one will be negative half, right? This will be negative half. So root 3 over 2 divided by negative half, so it's negative root 3. And it will be the same as this one. So it's 180 degree minus 60 degree. 180 minus 60, so it's 120 degree. So theta is 120 degree is one possibility, and you just flip it around, and 120, this is 120, right? 120 plus 180 is 300 degree. So theta is 120 and 300 degree. 2 answers. Okay, question number. Answer my question. Question number 7. question number 7. Okay, I put this page outside so that I can see. That is cosecant theta is negative 1. So one thing we know, secant is the reciprocal of sine. So if cosecant is negative 1, the sine will be negative 1. Also divided. 1, the reciprocal of 1 is also 1, divided by 1. And 1 divided by negative 1, it's the same thing. It's always 1. So sine theta is negative 1. Now we will think, what is sine theta is negative 1? Sine theta is the y value. Sine is the y value, right? Sine is the y value. So y is negative 1. Y is negative 1 on this unit circle. What is this one? You always start from the origin, from the origin from here. So it's 230 degree, 270 degree. So theta is 270 degree, and there's no other answer. Sometimes life has a couple of solutions. Sometimes there is only one thing that is right. That is math. That is I like it. No second answer. So there is only one solution. This one. Okay, question number 8. Cosecant is root 2 over 2. When we see root 2 over 2, sine, cosine will be 45 degree, right? And it's positive, which means the x is positive, because cosine is x over y over r. So x is positive. 45 degree. So x is here. This is 45, or this, which is 360 minus this 45, right? So theta is 45 degree, and 360 minus 45, so 315 degree. 2 answers. Okay, are we good with it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. Okay, now we will do question number 9.